Welcome to Revosa's system. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel. In today's digital world, if you have a website or a blog, you probably want people to find it easily when they search online. That's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the process of making your website more visible in search engines like Google, Bing, or even newer AI-powered search tools. This complete beginner's guide will explain what SEO is, why it matters in 2026, and how you can get started, even if you're completely new to it. We'll break everything down into simple words with step-by-step tips, examples, and practical advice. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your site's rankings and attract more visitors organically, for free. If you wish, you can also read the complete article on our website. Let's get started.
Why SEO matters in 2026. Imagine typing a question into Google, like best beginner running shoes, and seeing results instantly. Most people click on the top few links. In fact, the first page of Google gets over 90% of all clicks. SEO helps your website appear higher in those search results. Without it, your amazing content might be buried on page 10, where no one looks. In 2026, SEO is more important than ever because search is changing with AI overviews like Google summaries at the top of results. More people search on mobiles and use voice assistants. Google rewards helpful, trustworthy content over tricks. Good SEO brings free traffic, builds your brand, and can grow your business without paying for ads. How search engines work. The basics. To understand SEO, you need to know how search engines like Google operate. It's like a giant library with billions of books, websites. Crawling, search engines use bots or spiders to discover web pages by following links. Indexing. They store and organize the pages, like adding books to a library catalog. Ranking. When someone searches, the engine shows the most relevant and high-quality pages first. SEO helps at every step, making your site easy to crawl, index, and rank highly. Google uses over 200 factors to rank pages, but the big ones are content quality, user experience, and authority. Types of SEO, the main pillars. SEO isn't just one thing, it's divided into categories. 1. On-page SEO. This is everything you control on your own website, like content and structure. 2. Off-page SEO. Things outside your site, mainly backlinks from other websites. 3. Technical SEO. The behind-the-scenes stuff, like site speed and mobile friendliness. 4. Content SEO. Creating valuable, user-focused content overlaps with on-page. In 2026, there's also talk of AEO, answer engine optimization, for AI searches, but the basics remain the same. On-page SEO, optimize your content. On-page SEO is where most beginners start because it's straightforward. Keyword research, the foundation. Keywords are the words people type into search. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, free, or free versions of Ahrefs/SEMrush to find them. Target long-tail keywords, e.g., best SEO tips for beginners 2026, instead of just SEO. Aim for search intent. What does the user want? Information to buy or compare. Example. For this guide, primary keyword is what is SEO, with secondary like SEO beginner guide. Title tags and meta descriptions title. Keep under 60 characters. Include keyword at the start. Meta, 150 to 160 characters. Compelling summary to encourage clicks. Headings, H1, H2, H3. Use one H1 main title, then H2/H3 for sections. Include keywords naturally. Content quality. Write for humans first. Helpful, original, in-depth, aim for 500+ words for guides. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, images. Demonstrate EAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Add author bio, sources, real examples. In 2026, focus on unique insights. Don't just rewrite what others say. images, and alt text. Add descriptive alt text with keywords, e.g., Beginner SEO Keyword Research Tool. Internal linking. Link to other pages on your site to help users and crawlers navigate. Technical SEO. Make your site search-friendly. Technical SEO ensures Google can access and understand your site. Key beginner tips. Mobile-friendly. Your site must work great on phones. Test with Google's mobile-friendly tool. See the difference? Non-mobile sites frustrate users and rank lower. Site speed. Use fast hosting, compress images. Aim for under 3 seconds load time. Check with PageSpeed Insights. .https. Secure your site. Free via Let's Encrypt. .xml sitemap. Submit to Google Search Console. Core Web Vitals. Focus on loading, interactivity, and visual stability. Set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics. They're free and essential for tracking. Off-page SEO. Build authority with backlinks. Off-page SEO is about signals from other sites. Backlinks. The number one factor. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, like votes of confidence. SEO best practices and trends for 2026. SEO evolves, so stay updated. Key trends now. AI and user experience. Google prioritizes helpful content. Avoid AI-generated spam. EAT. Especially for health/finance topics. Show expertise. Zero-click searches. Optimize for featured snippets and AI answers. Multimedia. Add videos, images. YouTube SEO matters too. Sustainability. Fast, efficient sites win. Avoid black hat tactics like buying links. They lead to penalties. Keyword stuffing. Overusing words unnaturally. Ignoring mobile users. Thin content. Short, low-value pages. Not updating old content. Chasing quick wins instead of long-term strategy. Step-by-step SEO checklist for beginners. Set up Google Search Console and Analytics. Research 5 to 10 keywords for your homepage. Optimize title, meta, headings. Write or improve content. Ensure mobile-friendly and fast. Build a few internal links. Promote content for backlinks. Monitor and tweak monthly. Tools for beginners, many free. Google Keyword Planner. Übersicht. Answer the public. 4 questions. Yoast SEO? If on WordPress. How long does SEO take? Be patient. Results can take 3 to 6 months, but consistent effort pays off. Organic traffic is sustainable and cost-effective. Final thoughts. Start your SEO journey today. SEO might seem overwhelming at first, but it's learnable. Focus on creating value for users, and search engines will reward you. Whether you're blogging, running a business, or just sharing ideas, good SEO helps more people discover your work. Start small. Pick one page, apply these tips, and track progress. If you have questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Updated January 2026 for the latest trends. Word count, 2. 500, comprehensive yet easy to read. What do you think? Is SEO worth the effort for your site? Share your thoughts.